Kev. It's war, Kev.
War.
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 It's Battle of the Compacts.
Battle of the Compacts.
Battle of the Compacts.
Battle of the British
Swift,
Compacts.
and we have Elddis. Battle of Britain. 2016, round about the 42k.
2020.
2020, round about the 46k. We're in battle.
Yeah.
Are you ready? What do you want to look at first? One's a Fiat, one's a Peugeot. Can't really say much difference.
No.
Same van anyway, aren't
Yeah,
they?
same van.
Okay.
Citroen's the same as well, isn't it?
Here we go. We have a dinette at the front.
Yeah. 4 belts.
4 belts, there you go. Well, it's really only going to be really a 3 berth at the most, because this will make up a little...
A child bed.
Yeah. Kitchen area.
Yeah, decent sized kitchen area. Yeah.
We're getting a hob.
3-burner hob.
Grill. Oven. Yeah.
Fridge. 3-way fridge.
3-way fridge.
Microwave.
Microwave.
Sink.
I'll tell you what we are getting. Loads of lights.
Yeah,
How many
4.
skylights are there on gear?
4 on this.
Yeah.
Yep. You've got to wind you up one at the front.
Yeah.
And a push you up one here in the middle. Another push you up one.
Dinette at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which will be made up into a...
Transverse sleeping.
Yeah. We're going to save the washroom, because it might be the washroom decides it.
Could be.
Little wardrobe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 3-way fridge, I said before, yeah.
Yeah. We're happy. What do you like about this?
A nice dining area. You could actually leave that bed made up
You could do, Kev.
and use this as a lounge area.
You
Yeah.
could do.
So that's a plus on that side, yeah.
Right. Let's move over to the Swift. So everybody remember what the Elddis look like. Nice colour outside.
Yeah, nice alloys.
Yeah. So we have the Rio.
Yeah, hey, both got tow bars.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The Swift Rio.
Are you ready?
This is an older van. This is 2016. This Elddis is 2020.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me have a look. I'll find the key somewhere, Kev. I've lost the keys. Oh, they're in this pocket. Bear with me, folks.
Not very swift. Yeah.
Oh, come in.
Something different, have we? The way he said, ooh.
Oh, oh, oh.
Nice lounge area.
Great lounge area.
Yeah.
We possibly could go 1 single.
Yeah.
We possibly could go
2 singles.
2 singles.
Yeah.
But I'm seeing here
Transverse double.
transverse, just like we had.
Yeah.
2 dinettes in there, but only the one in there. Yeah.
Only the 1 lounge area though.
Skylights
Yeah.
above.
Yeah. Only 3. Had 4 in here. But that's a bigger skylight there above the cab.
Yeah, bigger one.
Nice cover. I like the
What
cover.
we get in there.
A nice big fridge, haven't we?
And that's compressor fridge.
That's a compressor fridge.
Yeah.
Good size fridge, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Bigger wardrobe.
Bigger wardrobe.
Yeah.
Table in there, freestanding table.
Are we getting the same as the Elddis? Hot plate, 3-burner hob, grill,
yeah, so
oven,
Yeah.
sink area,
Yeah.
microwave,
Yeah. All same.
bit of extra,
Lifty uppy.
lifty uppy. What do you think?
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Like I say, you can't leave the bed made up on this one.
No.
That's the disadvantage, yeah.
No, you can't. So,
Should we have a look at the washroom on this one?
I think, yeah, I'm a bit undecided here. Are you?
Yeah. I think the washroom could be a decider.
Okay.
I'm looking at, well, considering this is a compact, it is a bit longer.
It isn't it? Go on then, Kev. Oh, is that it? Just a toilet?
Yeah, just toilet and a wash basin, mate. Yeah, you'd have to smell for a week unless you wanted to use this separate shower.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, look at that. That's a good separate shower, that's Ultra Trail separate shower, isn't it?
That is.
And that is a big roomy shower. Well, any shower looks big and roomy with me, doesn't it?
That's a great washroom.
Yeah.
Now, would you
like that.
forgive...
Oh, hang on.
Oh, okay. Oh, another wardrobe.
Another wardrobe.
Well, there's a bit of storage here, isn't there?
Aren't they just?
So, would you forgive the extra dinette for a washroom like that?
Yeah,
You would?
I would.
I don't know. I don't
I
know.
like
Kev.
the separate shower.
I don't know. I don't know. We need to go and have a look at the Elddis. This is too close to call this, isn't it?
You've only got 2 belts in this.
Yes.
4 belts in there.
But would you really be going with more than 2 people?
No.
Let's be honest.
Unless you're just using it as a day van.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Cab's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So we need. This is close. This is.
Yeah.
I need to go and look in the other one now. Now I've got that one in my head.
Well,
I do
I've
like.
noticed on this as well, if you wanted to put storage, you've got a boot there, so you could lift that and you could put storage in there, couldn't you? Yeah.
Good shout. I do like the outside of this. So, again, as we mentioned before, same cab really,
6-speed
and
manual,
everything.
yeah.
See, again, I don't know, Kev.
No.
Do you know what I mean? I've got this here, or I could leave this down as the bed, and I haven't got to make the bed up.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
There's the boot lid I was talking about.
Yeah, below.
So you can.
So, I don't know.
If you had a mobility scooter, somebody with mobility issues,
Yeah.
you could load it in through there, couldn't you?
You ready?
Yep, go on. Right.
Ooh.
But we got a wet room, not a separate shower.
Oh, you didn't sound very happy there.
No, I'm a lover of separate showers, mate. I really am.
You never use them, though.
Eh?
You never use them.
The wife does.
Does she?
Yeah.
Well, do you?
Well, it depends on what the site facilities are like. I mean, she won't use my racetracks for a start. Right, room-wise.
So if the site facilities are okay, you're not going to use your shower?
I don't. The wife.
So what's the
the
problem
wife
with the
does.
shower then?
Yeah, all through COVID and that, people had to.
Yeah, but we're not in COVID now, Kevin. Are
You
we?
can stop on CLs and things like that where they don't have shower facilities, so you use your shower then.
Okay.
There's places where you would use your shower.
Okay. What do you think?
Yeah, look at that. Eh? Do. The saint.
Okay. Right. Come out, you. You're spending too much time in that bloody shower.
Silent Templar. Right.
So I need to go and have a look in the other van again because this is still. I like this because I've got my separation. You've got the single bed if you want, the double bed.
Yeah.
If you want to go sleep in the day or, do you know what I mean, or lie down, you've still got that area there. Love the area here. But let's have one more look in the other one. Kev, now, what do I pick now?
See, it's a good sized lounge area. When you've got them 2-seat swivel, that is a good sized lounge
It
area.
isn't it?
Yeah.
I could sit here all day. Do you know what I mean?
So it is a good sized lounge area.
Yeah.
It's not as cramped as the lounge area in that one, but it's if somebody wants to go to bed early.
See, this is the problem. This is blowing me away in
like
such
that.
a compact van.
Yeah.
It's brilliant. Right? I haven't got as much there
No.
as the other van did.
But you've got your lifty uppy.
Well, yeah. You've got a great dinette living area here, but in the other van, you've got the 2, haven't you? With the option of keeping the bed up. Let us know in the comments, please. We showed you 2 vans there, 2 different layouts.
Choose which one you prefer.
2 different types of layouts there, of 2 compact
I know which one
vans.
I prefer.
I don't know, I'm torn. I move into one and I go into the other and I go into the other and go into one. So I really don't know. It'd be interesting to say why the van that you picked you like.
Well, this is the thing, Jason. This is what we push all along. When we get
Everybody's different, aren't
we
they?
get people coming here and they walk around. They've never had a van before, and they're looking for a van. Well, have you anything in mind? Some people, yeah, they've got something in mind, and then they'll look at van. Oh, can I have a look at van such a number? And then there's, well, we'd like something. You've got to choose the right one. Don't jump in a van. Like, say you didn't look at that one, you jump in it. Oh, love it, and buy it. Then you find, well, I can't leave the bed made up. Don't jump at the first one. Come and try them. Pull the beds out by all means. I mean, we let people slide the beds out, don't we?
Kev, you shouldn't be saying this. Because then everybody will want to look in every single van. Why can't they just look in one van?
No,
you say you've got to make a snap decision.
No, you don't make it. It's a big investment. you know,
It is.
you're spending a lot of money. We've had people do it. They bought a van off us, and then they've come. We had one, didn't we? Well, she didn't buy the van off us. She bought a van with a drop-down bed out of the ceiling from somewhere else, and she hated it because she felt claustrophobic because she was looking at the ceiling. And she came and changed it, and we sold her a different van, didn't we? A bigger van.
Everybody will like something different, but
Yeah.
there's two vans here that I'm really torn between on what I'd have because they both offer different things.
Yeah.
So please, I'd be interested to see which you pick in the comments, and it'd be interesting to see why you do pick that one. And I bet we'll get a vast array of different people thinking of
But they're similar price.
everything
price
similar
range,
about them.
yeah.
Everything
Yeah.
similar
Yeah.
about them. So if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.